What's up, YouTube? I'm GT John. Today we're going to a car show, and as you see, we've got our nieces. Say hello.
Say hi, Hallie.
Each one of them's being shy back right there. That one, there it is. We're going to a car show, and this will be their first, as well as my wife's first reaction to the 410 gears that are in it. So this should be interesting. You already know what I'm gonna do. Spinning.
The look on your faces. Oh, hold on, girls.
Is there any
Hey guys, he's not even going 40, so don't turn us in for DFS child law.
Yeah, this is also recorded in Mexico, so the street laws are way different down there.
Hey, there's sprinkles on it. Roll the window up. What's your favorite kind of car, girls?
This car. I don't know what it
She said this car, that's right.
Brady, what kind of cars do you like?
I don't know what kind of cars they are.
Well, where we're going to see a lot of Mustangs. So it's going to be just like this car, and like newer ones and older ones. I can't believe the acceleration of this thing. We'll see you when we get there. Alright, so we are here. As you can see, there's a few Mustangs here, and this guy just parked next to me. There's not too many of them, but unfortunately it's raining, and it's raining pretty good, so we're hoping it'll let up just enough. There's an old school Mustang over there. We're hoping the rain will let up just enough to where we can get out and walk around and see it. Saw, dude. That one's pretty nice. You said this one here is your favorite? There's an old Mach 1 right here. Check this old truck out. This is pretty nice. But the fastest car here is this one right here. That's nice. Old school Mustang here. Alright girls, hey. Out of all the cars here, what's y'all's favorite? You like that one? What about you, Hallie? What's your favorite? Hey, Hallie, my car is back over there.
No, that's yours.
Which one's your favorite?
You can't do that.
You like the blue one, the truck? We're off stage 3 here. That's a nice car. Alright, so did you girls enjoy that?
Yeah.
Seeing all the cars, you sound very dramatic there. If it wasn't raining, we would have really enjoyed it, but fortunately, it's raining too much. So we're going to go ride around, and I'm going to see if I can scare them a little bit. What do you think? Think I can scare you again?
No.
I think I can.
I thought we were going to have wreck. Really?
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 Really, guys?
You're really Brady.
Well, did you girls enjoy that? Yeah. Maybe next time we have a big car show or a bigger car show and it's not raining, we'll have to all go to it and check it out.